Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel English with Noori. Today we will learn types of tuna, fish and their names. Red spotted bellini, black skipjack tuna, bullet tuna, blackfin tuna, southern bluefin tuna, dashed line bellini, blue spotted bellini, little tunny, cylinder tuna, Atlantic bluefin tuna, albacore, Pacific bluefin tuna, big-eyed tuna, yellowfin tuna, longtail tuna, mackerel tuna, frigate tuna, Billiton ballanilla, skipjack tuna, hump-headed bellini, striped rock skipper, bullet-headed rock skipper, blue dashed rock skipper, leopard ballanilla. See you in